What's good, guys? It's Seth with SN22. So since the first time that I called a pump for Gala, back when Gala was trading at 16 cents, we have seen Gala push all the way up to 86 cents, which is over a 400% pump since my call. But now that Gala is above 60 cents, I'm back with another update. Let's look at my short-term, medium-term, and end of bull run price targets for Gala. As usual, since the market is ruled by short-term emotions, let's quickly look at the fear and greed index for the general market sentiment. So the index is currently sitting at 21, showing that there's extreme fear in the market, right? But like I always say, this is part of the regular market cycle, right? Where we go from fear to greed, fear to greed. We are currently fearful, mostly from news about the new strain of CVD. I'm not going to mention that word because YouTube seems to have a problem with that word, all right? But let's quickly look at the Bitcoin chart with the logarithmic curves. So the logarithmic curves at the moment shows that Bitcoin is trading in the danger zone, right? And it is usually in this zone over here that Bitcoin normally tops off and then dumps, right? Back in 2017, Bitcoin topped off over here, then came back down in price. 2013, Bitcoin topped off, came back down in price, right? We are currently trading in that danger zone again. So I would say it is highly likely Bitcoin dumps, but we are bullish, right? I'm gonna stay bullish. We want positive news, so I do want Bitcoin to head higher, and if Bitcoin gets enough momentum, then I definitely see Bitcoin pushing higher, right? But keep this in mind though, right? If Bitcoin dumps, then expect Gala to dump as well. Now let's look at Gala from the lower time frame to the higher time frame. Starting with the forward chart, we see that Gala at the moment is trading at about 65 cents, and it's also trading in this very steep broadening ascending wedge pattern, right? And this broadening ascending wedge pattern is usually a bearish sign, and it normally predicts that prices will head down. The price target for this pattern is at the base of the pattern, right? Or about 30 cents, right? About 30 cents. So that's the price target for this pattern. But I think since we're in the bull market, I don't think we'll drop that far. I think it's much more reasonable, or much more likely the price drops down to about 40 cents, right? Over here, in this zone over here, we don't really have a lot of support, right? Even though it looks like Gala is trying to get some support off this trend line over here, I don't think that will hold, right? Because when we look at the VPVR over here, on the VPVR on the side over here, we see that there's not a lot of volume of Gala traded over here, right? So I think it's much more likely it comes down to this zone over here where it will get much more support, right? But we are yet to see that, right? If Gala breaks this trend line, then that is when it will be confirmed that it will head back down to maybe 53 cents. And if 53 cents does not hold, then it will come down to the 2.618 or the 40 cents level, right? But let's look at some indicators now. Let's look at the RSI. The RSI shows Gala is losing strength in the lower time frame. We are forming lower lows over here and lower highs, right? The pump up was too fast, right? And at the moment, Gala is exhausted, and it needs some time to cool off before going back and going off again, right? But now let's look at the MACD. So from the MACD chart, we see that the MACD line, the blue line over here, is below the signal line, the orange line over here, right? So this is confirming the loss of strength in the RSI, right? Let's look at the squeeze momentum. The squeeze momentum is also confirming the loss of momentum in the MACD, right? We are seeing darker green bars over here, right? And that is confirming the loss of momentum in the MACD as well. Now from the daily chart, the broadening ascending wedge pattern is still the most notable pattern on the chart, right? So we are not getting any new information that we did not get in the forward chart, right? So let's just move on to my medium term and short term price targets for Gala. My short term price target for Gala, that is if Gala breaks the 61 cents level, it breaks below 61 cents, then my short term price target for Gala is at the 53 cents level, right? And if that does not hold, then I think Gala will continue and follow through with the pattern, the broadening ascending wedge pattern, and it will hit the 2.618 Fibonacci extension level, or about 40 cents, right? And I think that is when Gala will bounce back, but in this range, Gala would be consolidating, and it will push back up, right? That is if Bitcoin pushes back up as well. If Bitcoin dumps, then all of this will not matter. Gala will dump as well. Now from the weekly chart, we see that we do not have enough candles on the chart, right? Gala recently started trading, so there are not enough candles on the chart for Gala, but we do see this giant hockey stick pattern on the chart, right? And if you've watched my video on IOTEX, my previous video on IOTEX, and then you know that this hockey stick pattern usually does not end well, right? It normally ends with a 50% dump and then a long consolidation, right? Before price pushes back higher, right? If price pushes back higher after that, after the consolidation, then my price target is sitting at my end of bull run price target for Gala is sitting at about $2. I'm getting that from the fib circles, right? So I'm using the fib circles. I cannot use my linear regression curves with this because we do not have enough candles. We do not have enough data, right? But using the fib circles, we see that the 3.618 circle over here, this purple circle is the price over there is at about $2, right? Or it could be anywhere between $2 and $1, right? So that is my end of bull run price target for Gala. Now make sure to help our brother out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. My name is Seth and I make crypto content that makes you more money. So if making more money with cryptos is something you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications as well. And let me know what other coin you would like for me to cover in the comment section.